What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And you guys can see behind me we do have more parts. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be working on the blue car. You guys can see we do have a lot of new stuff. If you guys haven't checked out the other videos, you guys should definitely check them out so you guys stay up to date with what we are doing. As you guys can see, we kind of got the radiator front end on this one as well. We still kind of are working on the gray one, waiting for a couple parts, running into a little bit of some issues there, but that shouldn't be too bad. But for today's video, guys, we are going to be working on the blue one, trying to assemble the front end. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we got going on. Don't forget, guys, before this video gets started, to like the video, subscribe. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we do have quite the parts here. We do have a little bit more on the car, but as you guys can see, obviously this is the front bumper. We got the hood finally back from the shop. So if you guys missed the other video, we did the full radiator assembly here. You guys probably already saw the video on this, but we did run into some issues because we did put the axle in first, which was a mistake. The way I put the axle on, it kind of, with the binds that it has on the inside, it kind of already like put this into place, and obviously nothing else was lining up. So note for you guys should probably put the axle on last. I'll just show you guys the inside right here. So we still haven't received the seat belts, and unfortunately, guys, we do have to get a new airbag module. So we did place that on order from Toyota. As you guys can see, we do have the bumper bracket for the rear. We got an end link, and then we got like a little diffuser for the rear on the gray car. So we're not going to be unboxing these, but these are also a couple parts. So for today's video, we pretty much are going to be unboxing everything and pretty much kind of assembling everything together. We don't have all the full parts, unfortunately. We do have the front bumper, but we don't have the crash bar, so we are going to put on the front bumper just kind of for the looks and see how it fits or whatnot. Let's go unbox the parts that we do have so far. So we're going to start off with the T-frame piece. As you guys remember, we did have a little ding on ours, so pretty much just got this. It is new, but I did already remove the stickers, so just leave like the residue or whatnot. But yeah, this didn't even come in a box or anything, so this was kind of already out. Next, we do have the support rail, little middle one that obviously goes kind of just like that. And then these, I don't think we're going to open these just because we don't have the rest of the parts yet, but these are the brake air ducts that do sit behind the bumper. As you guys can see, we do have both of them. You can tell is our tow hook cover, which is super cool because they actually paint matched it. Look at that. So exactly to our paint. See if you guys can pick up that paint on the sun. Super nice. Right. So we packaged it pretty well. So you guys can see, brand new. The air intake little hose filter. Cool that they gave us the little clamps already. Which actually I don't even think I had, so that is major clutch. As you guys can see, it kind of connects right into the intake, just like that. Did already open this because I got this actually used, which is a super good deal. So you guys can see this actually is the front grille, and it actually already had the GR badge, so that's super cool. Good condition. Let's go ahead and unbox this bumper. As you guys can see, this thing is super cool. Look at that, unpainted. So we obviously do need to order the badge. Well, we ordered it, but it's on back order right now, so we are waiting for that. But damn, does that thing not look crazy? That on that is gonna look so nice. It is now complete. Man, that thing looks so tight. Looks more like it's done now. So you guys can see there, full GR bumper now ready to go. Obviously we are missing a lot of pieces like this one, this tow hook piece right here. That one is on back order, as well as these. And as you guys can see, that piece that I didn't unbox kind of goes behind that. Look how satisfying this thing is on the bottom. No scrapes, no nothing. Hopefully it stays like that for a very long time. Kind of show you guys what I'm doing here. As you guys can see, connect it. It's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And we did also just fill in all the little clips, pop them right in. So let's go ahead and tighten those. See, the hood is now fully done. Let's see it right here. Lines up are not the best, but obviously we do have to align all this stuff properly with the bumper. So the next step, we are going to be putting on the bumper, but obviously since we don't have the crash bar or anything, we're just going to kind of test with the bumper, not really tighten it or anything, just because obviously we're still going to have to take it off, and probably whenever the next parts come, so maybe in the next week or so. So we're just going to kind of test with the bumper and kind of go from there. Alright guys, we officially got it all installed. As you guys can see, pretty much I just ended up putting the 2 clips, one right here, just to hold this all down. Kind of see how the fitment would be with the rubber trim piece, but obviously the bumper isn't fully on. As you guys can see, there's still a little gap. All the sides and stuff do line up good. We still need to order this fender liner right here. Let's check on the side. So as you guys can see, this side doesn't look too bad of the fitment. It does look a little better. Check it out right there. There's the front bumper. Let's go ahead and close the hood. You guys can see that is the finished product. These are also the wheels. that are gonna be going on the gray car. But I do plan, what do you guys think? You guys like these stock wheels, or should we get some premium wheels for this one as well? These honestly do have some curb rash right here too. So pretty much what I could do, I can order the 2 for the front because you guys remember they were damaged, or I should just get 4 premium wheels. Also, we do have this attachment piece that we need to order for the gray car. Like I said, guys, stay tuned for the videos on that one as well. I believe that module was around $950 after taxes, around there, so that is a little unfortunate. I was hoping to get it reset. I know that for them to reset it, it would have been around like maybe $200 at most. I'm not sure if I even showed you guys, but there was a broken control arm on the driver's side. I did order that. We got the end link already, if you guys saw as you guys saw when I showed you guys the parts. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video if you guys did like it. Got more videos coming soon, and follow me on Instagram at 86creds, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.